If you have been hearing about 1688 app but you don't know how to use it as a beginner, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to use 1688 on your phone, how to register with your mobile number, whether you need a Chinese phone number, if your location affects price, and everything you need to know before placing your first order. And trust me, if you want to import directly from China, this is one video you need to watch till the end. Before we continue, if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload another helpful video like this. In my previous video, I shared the top 5 apps you can order products from China. So after this video, make sure you go back and watch it. For those who are new here, my name is Chioma Stephen. I've been in importation business for years now, helping people source products, understand suppliers, and avoid costly mistakes when buying from China and other countries. On this channel, I share beginners-friendly importation tips, supplier guidance, sourcing apps, and how to make profit through smart buying. So if that sounds like something you need, you are in the right place. Now, let me first explain what 1688 is. 1688 is one of the biggest wholesale sourcing platforms in China. It is owned by Alibaba Group, but unlike Alibaba that targets international buyers, 1688 is more focused on Chinese local markets. What that means for you is this. A lot of factories, manufacturers, and direct suppliers list their products there at cheaper prices. That is why many experienced importers use 1688 to source products before reselling. But let me be honest with you. When beginners first open this app, it can feel confusing. You might see Chinese language everywhere and wonder, how do I register? How do I search? How do I order? How do I ship? If that was you, don't worry. By the end of this video, you understand how to start. Now, let me show you exactly how to register. Once you download the 1688 app, open it, you usually see a login or sign-in page like this. You may notice it shows +86, which is China. If you're in Nigeria, UK, or another country, tap the area and change it in your country code. For example, Nigeria is +234, UK is +44. Now enter your phone number, then complete the captcha verification. Before they send you a code, you may be asked to complete a quick security check. For example, I had to click on a picture that shows one red electric fan. I selected them twice, then tapped submit. Once verified, you can continue. Request verification code. Tap send code. A code should come to your phone. Enter the code and continue. That's it. You are in. And automatically the translation option will appear and you'll be asked to choose your preferred language to download. Of course, I selected English, but you can choose any language you prefer as well. Once you do that, the app will appear in your chosen language on your phone. Will your location affect the price? Now, this is important. Your mobile number usually does not change the product price directly, but your location can affect other things like shipping costs. Sending goods to Nigeria may cost differently than sending to the UK. Promotions. Some coupons or new user offers may depend on the region. Payment options. Some payment methods work better in some countries than others. So no, your number doesn't usually change price, but your total cost can change because of shipping and other factors. Now let's search for a product. At the top, you will see a search bar. Type the product you want. Example, bags, shoes, hair, packaging, electronics. You can also use image search if you have the product picture. This is powerful because sometimes we forget the name of the product we want to check. How to choose the right supplier. Now, this is where beginners make mistakes. Don't just click the cheapest product. Instead, check supplier ratings, number of sales, reviews, years in business, product photos. Compare at least 3 sellers before choosing one. Before placing order, message the supplier. Ask, is this the current price? What is the minimum order quantity? How long production takes? Can you customize? If it's your first time, sample before buying bulk. This saves you from regret later. And also, don't rush because something looks cheap. Cheap can become expensive if quality is poor. Take your first order as a learning experience. Learn how to communicate, how to compare suppliers, how shipping works, how pricing works. That experience is valuable. If this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Comment below if you want my next video to be how to ship from China to your country, how to find trusted suppliers on 1688. My name is Chioma Stephen and I will see you on the next video.